All right, so we have been asked to find the HCF of what? Of the below given pairs of numbers. Okay, we have 20 and 12, 6 and 9, and what? 16 and 24. HCF means highest common factors, the highest common factors. All right, so let's do that of 20 and 12. Solution 20 and 12. So what we'll simply do, we'll look for the factors of 20 first. All right, now what does it mean to look for the factor of a number? The number between 1 and 20 that can divide that number without a remainder. All right. Now we're going to look for the numbers between 1 and 20 that can divide 20 without a remainder. All right. Now we'll start from 2. Okay. 2 can divide, yes, 2. Let's say 20. Okay. Yes, 2 can divide 20 without a remainder. 3 cannot. 4 can divide 20 without a remainder. 5 can. 6 cannot. 7 cannot. 8 cannot, 9 cannot, 10 can. All right, 10, 11, 12, 13, and what? 20. All right, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 are the factors that can divide 20 without a remainder. All right, so let's go to 12. All right, so what are the numbers that can divide 12 without a remainder? We can say 1, we can say 2, we can say 3, we can say 4. Yes, 4 can divide 12, 5 cannot divide 12. 6 can divide 12, 7 cannot divide 12, 8 cannot divide 12, 9 cannot divide 12 without a remainder. They can divide, but there will be a remainder. Okay, 10, if 10 divide 12, there will be a remainder, 11 and what? And 12. All right, so we have been able to get, for 20, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. And for 12, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. All right, so now we'll go ahead to look for the number that is common between the factors of 20 and the factors of what? 12. The number that appear under 20 and the number that appear under 12. We have 1 and 1. We have 2 and 2. We have 4 and 4. All right. Is there any other number? No. All right. So we are going to write out the numbers that appeared, that are common between 12, the factors of 12, and 20 and 12. And what are the number? We have 1, 2, and 4. Okay. So these are the three numbers that are common between what? The factors of 20 and the factors of 12. All right. Don't forget, we say the highest common factor. So among these numbers, which is the highest? 4. 4 is the highest. So the HCF for what? For 20 and 12 is equal to what? Is equal to 4. And this is our final answer. All right. So the HCF for what? The HCF for 20 and 12 is equal to 4. Okay. All right. So let's take the second example. I'll take the second example. Okay. So we have 6 and 9. We have 6 and we have 9. All right. So what are the numbers that can divide 6 without a remainder? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and what? And 6. For 9, we have 1, we have 3, and 9. Okay. So for 6, we have 1, 2, 3, and 6 that can divide 6 without a remainder. For 9, we have 1, 3, and 9 that can divide 9 without a remainder. So what are the factors that are common here? 1 is common, 3 is common. Okay, only 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So the HCF, and which is the highest from these two factors, which is the highest? 3 is the highest. So the HCF for what? HCF for 9 and 6 and 9 is equal to what? Is equal to 3. Okay. So the HCF, the highest common factor for 6 and 9 is what? Is 3. I hope you're following and you're getting to understand it. Okay. So let's do the last number, which is what? 16 and 24. 16 and what? 24. All right. So what number can divide 16 without a remainder? Let's say we have 1, we have 2, yes. 3 cannot divide 16. If 3 divides 16, there will be a remainder. 4, yes, 4 can divide 16. 5 cannot. 6 cannot. 7 cannot. 8 can. Because 8 times 2 is 16. 9 cannot. 10 cannot. 11 cannot. 12 cannot. 13 till 16. So these are the factors for what? The factors that can work, that can divide 16 without a remainder. And for 24, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 6. 7 cannot. Yes, we have 8. 8 can divide 24 without the remainder. 9 cannot, 10 cannot, 11, then 12, then 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 24. No other number can divide 24 without a remainder up to 24. All right. So what we have, the factors for 16 are what? 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. And the factors for 24 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So we're going to look for what? The numbers that are common, the factors that are common. We have 1 here. We have 2. We have 4. We have 8. All right. We have 1, 2, 4, and 8. So we'll write them out. The numbers that are common. 1 is common. 2 is common. 4 is common. And what? 8 is common. So for us to get the highest common factor, this is the highest number from the factors. So the HCF for what? 16 and 24 is equal to what? Is equal to 8. And these are final answer. Is equal to 8. And these are what? Our final answer. All right. So if this is well understood, I want you to attempt this and leave it on the comment section. 10 and 15. All right. So get the HCF for what? For this number 10 and 15. Drop your answer in the comment section for me to know that what I just explained was well understood. All right. Thank you very much for your time watching. And if this is your first time coming across my video, or whenever you come across this video, please help to share to as many you know that will benefit from this. And thank you even as you do that. And I hope you look forward to seeing more of my videos. Bye for now.